In this example, I'm going to show you what it means to create a probability distribution function or a PDF table. Um, Suppose Nancy has classes 3 days a week. She attends classes 3 days a week, 80% of the time. 2 days, 15% of the time. 1 day, 4% of the time. And no days, only 1% of the time. Suppose 1 week is randomly selected. The first question here asks us to describe what X is going to be. So in this case, X is the number of days that Nancy attends class. And then X in this case, if we're going to put it in words, X is the number of days. And more specifically, we know that it's 3, 2, 1, and 0. Letter C. Suppose 1 week is randomly chosen. Construct a probability distribution table like the one in the example 4.1. Our tables should have 2 columns, one labeled X and one labeled P of X. Remember, P of X is our probability. So I'm going to go ahead and create myself a little table here. And we're going to make one column X and one column P of X. Our values of X, I'm going to list them in order from smallest to biggest. So 0 days, 1 day, 2 days, and 3 days. P of X is the probability that she will attend class these number of days. So 0 days, it tells us 1% of the time. 1% in a decimal is 0.01. 1 day is 4%. So 4% in a decimal is 0.04. 2 days is 15%. So 15% in a decimal format is 0.15. And then the 3 days a week is 80%. 80% in a decimal is 0.80. The second part of this question asks us, what does the P of X column sum to? So we're going to go ahead and add them up. So I'm going to add 0. Grab my calculator here. 0.01 plus 0.04 plus 0.15 plus 0.80. And our probabilities all add up to 1, which makes sense because 1 is 100%.